Some of the things spring brings: eggs hatching, bears scratching, mama cleaning, brother sweeping, sister painting, papa sleeping, pulling weeds, planting seeds, jumping rope, rolling hoop. I'm waiting for some vegetable soup. Easter eggs, jelly beans, eating red ones, eating greens. I just bit a chocolate bunny. I don't think that's very funny. Another thing spring brings is babies. Baby rabbits, baby squirrels, 11 boys and 7 girls. Cats have kittens, dogs have puppies. Hi there, we are baby guppies. Mama frog and her tad swim among the lily pads. Hens have chicks, she has 6. Ducks have ducklings, I'm a baby porcupine. Coming soon, spring ends in June.